Plus, the chef to the stars tells all.
Anything I put in front of them, they love.
Who's his famous culinary client? The Dish and Tell.
Now Arch is taking you to a star's kitchen. Kitty Gray got a taste of the gourmet life with an Oscar winner.
He's preparing a meal fit for Mel.
For the last 10.5 years, I've been the personal chef to Mel Gibson.
And only extra got in the kitchen with Richard Florczak as he whipped up some of the gourmet grub he serves the Hollywood superstar, his wife Robin, and their 7 kids.
It's a big family, so you got a lot of tastes to please. But no, they're just fabulous people. They're easy.
What does he want to have you cook for him?
Well, I'm very fortunate to be able to say that anything I put in front of them, they love.
Richard's written an award-winning cookbook called The Private Chef, featuring his favorite celebrity recipes, including the Malaysian noodles with chicken and spinach he was cooking up for Mel as our cameras rolled. And Richard not only showed me his secret recipe, he also let me cook it with him, starting with a ½ pound of diced chicken breast marinated in soy sauce and sautéed with minced garlic. Then we added 8 ounces of fresh baby spinach, 12 ounces of chow mein noodles, and finally
5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce.
Oh my God, it's so good. I have to step away.
Just serve a shredded Asian salad as a side dish and this double chocolate cake for dessert, and there you have it. Mel's lunch a la Richard Florczak.
Chin chin.